Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I am so excited to be here to share this month's class to go. So this is for January 2023. Laura Milligan, a US demonstrator, and I are excited to release the Queen Bee class to go. So this is Laura Milligan's $1 million stamp set. So she hit $1 million a couple years ago and had the opportunity to help design a stamp set. And this is her stamp set. So we are really, really excited about this class. It's such a beautiful bundle. So there is the stamp set and then the coordinating die set. And we've paired it together with products from the Regency Park suite. So the Regency Park DSP, which is a 6x6 DSP pack, which is also from the January to April 2023 mini catalog. The adhesive backed Milky Dots and some Night of Navy, what is this called? Night of Navy bordered ribbon, this really pretty Night of Navy ribbon. So those are the products that we're going to be using to make 6 cards plus a bonus card. Now the class to go is available until January 13th, 2023, and there are several different options. First of all, option number 1 is $45 plus $5 shipping. That will give you half a package of the DSP, which is what you see here, a package of the Milky Dots, a spool of the Night of Navy bordered ribbon, and the 6 card kits plus the bonus card, and then I will email you the PDF. Which has links to videos, measurements in case you want to recreate any of the card designs and photos. Option number 2, if you don't already have the Queen Bee bundle, then this option is the best option for you. When you spend $91.50 using the class host code, which I will link in the description below, then you will get from me half a package of the Regency Park DSP and all 6 card kits plus the bonus card kit. All right, now $91.50. What you can do is you can order the Queen Bee bundle, you can order at the adhesive backed Milky Dots and the Night of Navy ribbon, and I will link all those products in the description below. That's what comes to $91.50 before shipping and tax. That will also allow you to choose a celebration item, level 1 celebration item that you can choose for free. But if you want to choose different products, that's completely fine. As long as the total is $91.50 and you use that class host code, I know that you want to participate in this class and you'll still get the gifts from me. All right. Option number 3 is if you are a treasure stamper, so a stamper on my Stamp Treasures team, then you can request a kit for $15. Now, I just want to point out that you will need to have the Queen Bee bundle and the DSP in order to get the kit for $15. So make sure that you have that. I mean, you can also switch out the DSP and use something else if you'd like. So you'll get all 6 of the card kits for $15. And then if you are outside of Canada and would like to participate in this class, then the tutorial only option is available to you. And I will link where you can purchase that tutorial in the description below. All right, so are you guys ready to have a little peek at the cards? Such beautiful cards this month. So we've got lots of bee cards, but then there are a couple without the bees as well. So I hope that you guys decide to participate in this class to go. Remember, the deadline is January 13th to participate in it, and I know you will love it. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in class.